Welcome to my YouTube. Today we're going to be making these coffee blocks or coffee logs. Very simple to make, and will burn for ages on your stove or your log burner. So first of all, we'll put that away. In this tub I've got sawdust, which is probably about 5 kilos, and then I've got 5 litres of coffee grounds into there, poured in. All this is free, by the way. I get me coffee grounds from the local cafe. And then I've got bits of cardboard, newspaper, soaking in water. And it looks like, let's have a look, see, I'll show you. It's like a dirty porridge, wet through. It's been soaking in there for about a week or more, and I'll leave it in there, and I've got other ones on the go, all different stages. So when I've emptied this one, I go to the next one and start this one back off again with a new batch. So I'm always doing one in advance, if you know what I mean. This is my jig, or my press I should say. It's quite simple to make, it's just very crude, very basic. And what we do is put that on there, and then I've got a metal disc which is 6 milli, that goes on there. I've got a 4-inch soil pipe which is split down the middle there, see it? There. And what we do with that is put 2 of these straps on. These straps are like the ones for garden furniture you cover in the winter. Just strap it up. Don't have to be very tight, as long as it's tightish. Just hold it together. Get the other one on. Like that. We can get it on. Very hard to do in one hand, but we'll do it. Like that. What is it? There. Like that. Put that on there. The right way up, would help. Oh, by the way, I've put dozens and dozens of holes in. 3 or 4 mil holes. You can go bigger. I probably will go bigger actually, eventually. Bigger holes let more water out, but it'll still work, it'll just take a little bit longer. And I've got probably 100 holes in there, 2/3 of the way up. Yeah? Put that on there. Scoop it up, the mixture. With porridge, as I call it. Put that there, fill it up. You'll see it coming out as it's doing it, the water. And just keep filling. It's a bit messy, but it's also good fun. I enjoy doing it actually. It's quite therapeutic, as they say. And then I've got a smaller disc. That's 6 milli again, steel. That fits inside the tube. And what I do with that, I press it down by finger thumbs first, just to squeeze most of the excess out. And then I've got a block of wood, and I've dropped one. Block of wood, press that down a little bit more. Got to be enough room to get the jack in. So then it's go down another 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, and then that squeezes in there, and then what you do then is pump it up. Just keep pumping it until it won't go any further. And then you'll do that, push that back up, put another piece of wood in, just to take up the gap so you've got more pressure on it. Some more water coming out the bottom. I say, it's a primitive jig. I'll tilt it forwards so I can get all the excess water. Okay, that's that done. And the next stage is to, you can see at the bottom there, and then what you do then, carefully release the straps. That's somewhere safe. Same with that one. Get it off. Like I say, it's a bit messy, but yeah. And then what you do then, you put it on something that's fairly strong on the edge of the plastic. This is plastic drain pipe, and then just push it down, and it should come out in one go, or 2 or 3 goes actually. Put it back on there, and there's another block ready. Now that'll take, in this weather, which is February, I'd probably say about a month, maybe 2 months to dry, something like that, because of the damp climate at the moment. But in the summertime, if you can put these outside in the sunshine, they'll dry in just over a week. So you've got free fuel for a week. Another thing you can do is in your mixture, if you've got access to horsehair, put that in. I also put in the contents of my Hoover, my vacuum cleaner. Some people are using horse manure as well, you know, for droppings out of the stables, which is mixed in with the straw, which is ideal because it all burns, and it's very, very flammable when it's dry, which is a great thing. It's using it again rather than throwing it. So I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.